Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 ASICS shoes for men available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best ASICS shoes for men. The fifth product on our list is the ASICS Gel-Nimbus 22. If you're looking for a gold standard running shoe, you can't really go wrong with the ASICS Nimbus 22s. This sneaker is not necessarily built for speed and sprinting, but it is designed for high mileage. The Nimbus 22 utilizes their ASICS patented style foam for the midsole and excellent gel cushioning in the heel. Yet, this newer version still doesn't outweigh its predecessor, so you don't need to worry about feeling heavy should you be upgrading from older ASICS shoes. From just a style standpoint, these are pretty sleek and cool looking running shoes. They are far more understated, with none of the outlandish bright colors usually found in specialized sneakers of this type, so they are likely to fit your style a lot better. However, if you prefer a bolder look, there are still plenty of options to sate your appetite. More importantly, the fit is very secure while being more than comfortable enough around the ankle. Moreover, it offers a safe feeling when running long distances, as there's no slipping or rubbing. Furthermore, they have an accurate size fit, which is not always the case, especially if you're ordering online. Additionally, the responsiveness and comfort provided by the foam and gel combination is apparent with every step. With the Nimbus 22s, you'll feel energized and fresh even after a long training session. One of the most appealing aspects of this ASICS shoe is the aforementioned gel cushioning that reliably improves the absorption of shock throughout your run, making marathon training far more comfortable. Also, its flight foam layer running the length of the midsole offers extra responsiveness as well as some flexibility. Together, these two elements provide superior cushioning when running on light trails over rocky terrain. It helps offer some decent protection for your feet, which is a bonus for anyone who enjoys the outdoors. Finally, the materials used for the uppers are breathable to increase comfort, while the tread provides great traction in any environment. So if you need comfort on a long run, these are the ASICS for you. Its pros are: it's designed with a gel layer for better long-range comfort. It has multiple style options to choose from, and it has a superb grip over multiple terrain types. However, it can be difficult to clean some of the textiles used in construction. The ASICS Gel-Nimbus 22s are wonderfully designed shoes, suitable for those wanting to run long distances while staying comfortable. Up next in fourth place is the ASICS GT2008. These redesigned 4th edition ASICS GT2008s feel far more flexible than their stiff, less forgiving forerunners. ASICS has used lighter density foam for this new shoe. There's a single, thicker layer of flight foam rather than 2 layers of foam in the forefoot. The rear half of the shoe employs a thick slice of somewhat higher density foam beneath the flight foam, in addition to a patch of gel cushioning beneath the heel. Together, this design increases comfort and reduces shock while road running. Moreover, part of the easier transition between steps comes from extra flex grooves in the high abrasion heel rubber, coupled with the lighter heel foam. These ASICS feel forgiving yet responsive. Meanwhile, the lower density foam beneath the heel serves to absorb impact as you roll through your stride. Once onto your forefoot and past the heel-toe drop, a layer of the ASICS EVA-based flight foam produces the rest of the cushioning until your foot leaves the ground once more. Furthermore, this shoe feels firm, making cushioning more stable underfoot, yet the softer foam helps to still provide adequate comfort. What's more, its twin-layered mesh upper hugs closely to your foot for a more secure fit, and the thinner midfoot with wider forefoot design and high-quality materials increases the sturdy and supportive feel while also maintaining flexibility to prevent hot spots and blisters. Additionally, an abrasion-resistant compound covers the majority of the outsole, further improving its durability. Meanwhile, the forefoot is divided by 3 horizontal flex grooves and 4 patches of the AHAR rubber in the heel to give you extra traction over uneven terrain. This outsole is clearly built to last, and it has plenty of traction for road running on wet and dry surfaces. Lastly, the shoe is still stiffer than some, but that simply adds to the overall stability and support. So if you suffer from weak arches or ankles, the GT 2008s may be a good fit for you. Its pros are: it has excellent underfoot cushioning, it's designed to keep you moving smoothly through each step, and it has great traction over different terrains. However, the cons are: some sizes don't seem to fit true, and there is not a lot of forefoot padding, so if you run on the balls of your feet, they may not be as comfortable. The ASICS GT 2008s are an updated and refined pair of running shoes that are perfect for training and daily runs. Still haven't found a pair of ASICS Shoes for Men that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the ASICS Gel-Kayano 27. ASICS' premier stability trainer since 1993 has been the Kayano. Since then, it has undergone some small but very effective changes to the construction and visual design. The shoe now has more of an everyday wear appeal in comparison to its past editions. The newly engineered mesh is both stylish and a performance upgrade. Also, there are 16 color options, so you are sure to find one that fits your aesthetic. The material employed for the outsole is ASICS High Abrasion Rubber, a long-lasting material that provides traction in both wet and dry environments. Even after years of use, there will be a minimal amount of wear to see on the outsole. With this product, there's a fair amount of gel cushioning under the heel and in the forefoot below the joint of your big toe, which helps absorb impact while remaining responsive. This gel cushioning along its segmented heel further improves cushioning in every foot strike. What's more, like the other ASICS on this list, a flight foam bottom layer runs through the midsole, increasing comfort. With this addition, ASICS have lengthened the amount of foam in the midsole to soften the cushioning and produce added flexibility, especially in the forefoot. This flexibility, along with the half-inch drop, increases toe-offs by giving you a better spring. Furthermore, the Kayano maintains excellent stability thanks to the dynamic DuoMax support system. This is similar to a medial post-midsole system. It runs from the start of the external heel counter down to the very front of the arch for more support. Additionally, it's aided by a truss stick system of a hard plastic plate that follows the base of the outsole where your arch is. Consequently, your stride will be improved with exceptional stability throughout every run. Lastly, the deep flex grooves in the tread balance out the heavy feeling you experience from the sneaker's back, allowing you to push the pace while remaining on stable footing. Its pros are: it's been upgraded and is available in many styles. It has a thicker gel layer for better impact resistance, and its combination of rigid plates and flexible tread gives ultimate stability. However, it has very high and stiff arch support, so it may not be comfortable for some. The ASICS Gel-Kayano 27 provides a stable and durable running platform and is great for those that don't want to buy a new pair of shoes every few months due to wear. The second product on our list is the ASICS Gel-Venture 7. Confidently take on the most challenging terrain with the Gel-Venture 7 performance trail running shoes. These shoes are intended to be a daily trainer for those who require high performance in an affordable, proven package. With this product, the upper features an updated lacing system and a few design changes that present a mild style refresh, in addition to having 20 color combinations to choose from to match your workout attire. For better grip, ASICS put a somewhat aggressive-looking tread pattern on the outsole that features V-shapes in various orientations. This guarantees forward and rear motion grip is maximized. Furthermore, the tread pattern is bonded to the top of a layer of tougher rubber, reducing poke risks, blocking sticks or sharp rocks from puncturing the base and potentially damaging your foot. This durable outsole affords excellent traction for standard trail running. Above the outsole is a thick and sturdy EVA midsole that, unlike other ASICS on this list, doesn't benefit from the weight savings of flight foam, but does provide good support at a reasonable weight all the same. What's more, this shoe has ASICS gel technology that helps reduce shock in the rear foot area. Additionally, there's an industry-standard Ortholite sock liner inside the shoe, which is the first thing you feel when putting on the shoes. What isn't standard about this is that ASICS put down a layer of adhesive below the insert. It's only a mild adhesive, so you can still pull out the insole, but it keeps it in place when removing or putting the shoe on. Keeping the insole in place is very valuable when trail running, as you're often landing in odd foot patterns that would twist a standard insole around. Moreover, encompassing the heel is a well-cushioned, sturdily made heel counter, while inside the shoe you'll find the thick foam at the top of the heel, which then disappears at the bottom of the heel. This all helps to keep your foot properly placed in the shoe and improves fit. Those new to trail running will have a great time with the shoe, and even veteran runners who just want a spare set of trail shoes will benefit from these ASICS. Its pros are: its tread pattern is aggressive, making it perfect for off-road running. It has a thick and durable base, preventing damage from rough ground. And it has a bonded sock liner to keep your foot placed correctly in the shoe. However, its thicker construction and lack of flight foam adds to the overall weight of the product. The ASICS Gel-Venture 7 is great value for money, being well made and perfect for recreational trail running. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top ASICS shoes for men is the ASICS Gel-Pulse 11. If you've been on the lookout for a high-performance all-rounder shoe, the ASICS Gel-Pulse 11 has everything you need and more. The standout feature with this product is its inclusion of ASICS' new Ampla foam. It covers the midsole from toe to heel, promising ultimate shock absorption to protect your body's joints. Created to maintain its stability even at softer densities, this foam provides better flexibility, comfort, and platform versatility that's ideal for natural running. This product is a high-volume model with a medium to higher drop of 0.3 inches, which is suited to anyone that runs predominantly on their heels. Additionally, the higher heel compared to the toe box will also be excellent for transitioning if you are a heel striker. Engineered for long distances, the mesh upper on the shoe allows air to move through it easily, cooling your feet down and keeping them dry. Furthermore, the design choices for style on the Pulse 11 are excellent. There are 13 to choose from, and each one brings something a little unique, making it a great addition to your wardrobe and your training regime. Another interesting point with these ASICS is that the insoles are removable. The Ortholite sock liner is ideal for underpronators with higher arches, so anyone having this kind of problem will appreciate the sneaker's extra support. Moreover, thanks to the gel cushion, these shoes are highly responsive, providing excellent feedback from the ground as you run, while still absorbing all the shocks and impacts that come with road running, thus saving your knees from undue stress. Furthermore, the vertical flex groove reduces rigidness across the tread as your foot follows along the line of progression. This can dramatically enhance gait efficiency as your foot is no longer restricted and can move more naturally. Finally, the durable, abrasion-resistant materials used in construction are slow to wear and will last for a long time, so you can enjoy a high comfort level for years to come. Its pros are: it has unbeatable shock absorption from the new type of foam. It is made to be comfortable while remaining stylish. And its design increases the efficiency of your run, improving performance. However, it is more of a specialized running shoe, so the padding may be too soft for things like weightlifting. The ASICS Gel-Pulse 11s are a brilliant pair of shoes, ideal for the avid runner that prizes durability and comfort. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.